So here I'm discussing about the SEO on page. One is called title and description and the keywords. Suppose my company is digital marketing. My company is digital marketing. How to writing for SEO title and the description and the keywords. So here, first of all, I can show you option call is one is called SEO title. They will support by the 65 to 70 characters. The best will be 60 to 65 characters. You can stop up to 60 is the better. Up to 60 is the better. Now reach up to 65 characters. So if you exceed more than 65, what is called? They are showing for dot dot dot. So here title will be always writing for using pipe symbol. Keyword 1 pipe, keyword 2 pipe, keyword 3. Keyword 2 and 3 is called supported by the primary keyword. Suppose my primary keyword is digital marketing training. Digital marketing training will be called, what is the secondary keyword? Digital marketing course and digital marketing online training. Three will be common. One is different. Training, course and online training. Here online training replaces for class also. Digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing class. Any different for three? Class will be same, course will be same and class and training also same. So how to writing this title? Now see the screen. One is called digital marketing training 5 course 5 class. Digital marketing is a common keyword. Second will be called the course and class. They support only for 60 characters or 65 characters. Exceed up to 70. More than exceed 70. That is called into mark. That is called into mark. Is it clear? Digital marketing training 5 course 5 class. They are indicated by the three keywords. Digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing class. What the common keyword is? Digital marketing course, class and training. Now here, so this what is called description. We can writing for 320 character for your description. So here I'm taking one example here. Online movies, free online movies, watch online movies. What the common keyword? Online movies. We can watch and free, watch free online movies. Movies, watch, free. If you divide, the all keywords will be matching. What is that? Free will be matching, online, movies and watch will be matching for 4 keywords. 4 keywords you can search by different for users. For keyword matching by using for pipe symbol. Online movies, pipe. Watch online movies, pipe. Free online movies, watch. Free online movie, watch. Watch online free movies. So they matching for 4 keywords. You can divide any kind of keywords matching the 4 keywords. Is it clear? This is called writing for title tag. This title is writing for description. So simple. So instead of providing for digital marketing training with expert faculties with more than 7+ years experience, location by Hyderabad. This is for your description. So instead of providing for digital marketing training with experienced faculty, expert faculty is more than 7+ years of experience. Location for Hyderabad, comma, Telangana, comma, India. So description will indicate by comma. So I can show example here. What is that here? Online movies. So online movies search for n number of keywords. So we are writing here. What is that? Online watch movies. Movies online watch. Online movie. Watch a movie online. Free movies online. Hindi. Hollywood movie, Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam. Why? Okay, using description only for comma. Same like it. We learn digital. So instead coming providing for digital marketing training and online training with experienced faculty with 7+ years of experience faculty. Location of Hyderabad, comma, US, comma, UK, comma. Why? Training will be there. Online training also there. Online training will be called any country we can feasible for the only for online. So we have the n number of places up to 320 characters. First of all, we can cover by title will covered by where? Our description part. Digital marketing is covered, training will be covered. So will be covered by the this is in the description part. So it's a very, very important. What are the title you're writing for? The title will matching where? Your description part. We providing for digital marketing training with the best practical course or institution. We give the best classes provided by the excellent faculty also. We provide by the training, course and classes. But your title will matching by where? Description part. Your digital marketing matching by where? Your description. Title and description will be matching, always will be 100%. This will be meta keywords. Your description will be meta keywords. Your description writing for critically or keyword type. Your keyword writing for keyword type. They support only for 25 words. Look the screen here. I'm writing for your keywords. Digital marketing is one keyword. Next will be called digital marketing training course class located by Hyderabad. Is it called keywords? Last one. What last one is author name. Author name nothing but abc.com. This is called my website.com. One is called title, second will be called description, third will be keywords, fourth will be called author name. So this will be copy for your this one. They paste by way C panel for your website for adding for like this. I show you a sample website here. Now click for here. Simple. If you check by page source, control U. So I am writing by here. Just look the screen. Then perfectly. See here. SEO title, description, keyword, and author name. Or the author name is my domain name. What is my domain name? Model interior. See this my keyword and my description and title. So we are writing for like this. We are writing for title, description, and keywords. We place by our website. So how to add your website? How to using for cPanel? We discuss by the next class.